Stop. Wait. Do you feel nervous when someone says, "Please introduce yourself"? Your heart beats fast. Your mind goes blank. You forget even your name. Don't worry. Today I will help you. Hello, my friend. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Annam. Today's topic is very important, very simple, very useful. How to introduce yourself at work. This lesson is for beginners. A 1A2 level. Easy English. Slow English. If you work in an office. If you work in a shop. If you are new at work. This lesson is for you. Relax. Take a deep breath. Let's start together. Let me ask you something. Have you ever felt this? You start a new job. New people. New place. New language. Someone looks at you and says, Nice to meet you. Tell me about yourself. And you think, what should I say? Is my English okay? What if I make a mistake? Yes. This is normal. Everyone feels this. Even people with good English feel nervous. So first, remember this. You are not bad. You are learning. And today, we will make it easy. Here is a very important rule. Do not speak too much. Do not use big words. Do not try to be perfect. At work, people want simple English. Clear English. Friendly English. Short sentences are good. Simple words are perfect. Repeat after me. Simple is powerful. Good. Let's start step by step. Step 1 is very easy. Say hello. You can say, hello. Hi. Hi, nice to meet you. That's it. You don't need long sentences. Example. Hi, nice to meet you. Say it slowly. Smile. Look friendly. That's a great start. Now step 2. Say your name. You can say, my name is Annam. I'm Annam. Very simple. Let's practice together. My name is Annam. Good. If your name is long, it's okay. Say it slowly. You can also say, my name is Ahmed. You can call me Ahmed. Simple. Friendly. Now step 3. Say your job. You don't need details. Just one sentence. Examples. I work in the office. I am a receptionist. I work in sales. I am a cleaner. I am a helper. Let me give you a full example. Hi, my name is Annam. I work in the office. That's perfect. Short. Clear. Easy. Let's stop and recap. So far, we have 1. Say hello. 2. Say your name. 3. Say your job. That's all. You are already doing great. If you are new at work, say this. This is very helpful. You can say, I am new here. This is my first day. I just started today. People will understand you more. They will help you. Example. Hi, my name is Annam. I work here. I am new. Perfect. Now, add one friendly line. Just one. Examples. Nice to meet you. Happy to be here. Nice to work with you. That's enough. Example full introduction. Hi, my name is Annam. I work in sales. I am new here. Nice to meet you. Very good. Very professional. Very easy. Let's imagine a real situation. You enter your workplace. Your manager is there. The manager says, please introduce yourself. You say, hello. My name is Annam. I work in customer service. This is my first day. Nice to meet you. That's it. No stress. No fear. Now, let's talk about mistakes. Many learners think, I must speak perfect English. No mistakes allowed. This is wrong. Mistakes are okay. Even if you say, my name Annam. It's okay. People understand you. So please, don't stop speaking because of fear. Speaking is learning. Let me give you more examples. Office job. I work in the office. Shop job. Hello, my name is Annam. I work in the shop. Factory job.
Imanum.
I work here.
Cleaner.
Hello, my name is Annam. I am a cleaner here. All are good. All are correct. After you introduce yourself, you can ask, what about you?
Just this. Or,
What is your name? This shows confidence. Example. Nice to meet you. What about you? Simple. Let's recap again.
you say,
Hello. My name is. I work as. I am new. Optional. Nice to meet you. That's your full introduction.
easy, clear,
Professional. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. Hello. My name is Annam. I work here. I am new. Nice to meet you. Very good. Again.
hello,
My name is Annam. I work here. Nice to meet you.
perfect. Sometimes you feel shy.
Your voice is low. Your hands shake. It's okay.
Take a breath.
Speak slowly. People are kind. You are brave because you are learning. I am proud of you. Here is a small tip. Practice in front of a mirror. Practice with your phone. Practice every day. Just 2 minutes.
Say,
Hi, my name is. I work as. That's all. Small steps. Big progress. Remember one thing. English is not about perfection. English is about communication. If people understand you, you are successful.
keep speaking. Keep smiling.
Keep learning. Before we end, let's recap one last time. Introducing yourself at work is easy. Just remember,
Hello,
name,
job.
friendly line. That's it. You can do this. I believe in you. Now I want to hear from you. Comment below. Write your introduction in English. Like this video if it helped you. Subscribe for more easy English lessons. We are learning together. Thank you for listening.
Thank you for learning with me. Take care.
Keep practicing. See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.